let's move to the question number 2. Solve the equation, and the equation is exponential of 2x times exponential of 2x minus 8 is equal to 48. After multiplying, we will have exponential of 2x times exponential of 2x minus 8 exponential of 2x equals to 48. We know that if the base is same and there is a multiplication, the power will be add up. So it will be exponential of 4x minus 8 exponential of 2x minus 48 equal to 0. If we consider exponential of 2x is equals to y, so it will be y square minus 8y minus 48. So this will be the quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation can be solved by factorization, like negative 48 times 1 is equals to negative 48, and negative 12 times 4 is equals to negative 48, and when we add them, negative 12 plus 4 equals to the negative 8. So this equation can be written as exponential of 4x minus 12 exponential of 2x plus 4 exponential of 2x minus 48 equal to 0. Okay, taking exponential of 2x to common, exponential of 2x common, and then it will be exponential of 2x minus 12. Taking plus 4 common, and we will have exponential of 2x minus 12 equal to 0. And this one is equal to exponential of 2x minus 12 times exponential of 2x plus 4 equal to 0. So we have the two factor equating each with 0. We will have exponential of 2x minus 12 equal to 0, and exponential of 2x is equal to 12. On the other side, we will have exponential of 2x plus 4 equal to 0, and in this case exponential of 2x is equal to negative 4. To find the value of x, we need to take ln both sides. This will be ln exponential of 2x is equal to ln 12, and we know that ln 12 is equals to the 2.48. By using the property of ln a to the power of b is equals to the b ln e. Left side can be written as 2x times ln e is equals to 2.48. Sorry, this one is 8. Ln e is equals to 1. So we will have 2x is equals to 2.48, and x is equals to 2.48 over 2, and this one is equals to 1.24. So we have the solution, which is x is equal to 1.24. To solve this, we will take ln both sides. So ln exponential of 2x is equal to ln negative 4, and the negative value of the ln doesn't exist, so we will not find any solution. So no solution. So we will have only one solution, which is x is equal to 1.24, and this is the only solution.